We'll guide you through how to animate road in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition by selecting the option to make a new composition and set the composition settings you want to use. Next, create a road by using shape layers inside the composition, or import a road image if you already have one prepared. After creating or importing the road, place the road layer into the timeline so it appears in the composition panel and is ready for editing. Then add lane lines by creating shape layers and placing them on top of the road in the correct positions. Once the lane lines are visible, select the lane line layer in the timeline. Press the letter P on your keyboard to open the position property for that selected layer. After the position property appears, enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch icon next to position. This creates the first keyframe at the current playhead location. Next, move the playhead forward in the timeline to the point where you want the next movement to happen. After moving the playhead, move the lane lines downward in the composition so a second keyframe is created automatically. This movement will make the lane lines appear to travel along the road. If needed, loop the animation so the movement repeats continuously for a longer effect. After finishing the lane line motion, add a car layer if desired by importing a car image or graphic and placing it above the road layer in the timeline. Then animate the car position by adjusting its placement and creating movement with position keyframes. Once the car and lane lines are animated, preview the result by playing the composition in the preview panel. Watch the animation carefully and adjust timing where necessary so the movement looks smooth and matches the speed you want. After timing adjustments are complete, save your project file to keep all changes. Next, add the composition to the render queue by selecting the render option in the program menu. After the composition appears in the render queue, check the output settings and click render. Wait for the export process to finish completely. When rendering is complete, your road animation is ready.